Hey, so hello guys, welcome to WordPress lineup. This is your host. So today I was about designing a video. I was what's it called, creating a video on how to create a medical health service website, and then I realized I will be installing WordPress afresh into a domain name. So I thought about it. Why don't I just quickly run you guys through on how to install WordPress from your cPanel. Yes, this might not be for everyone, but for beginners, so it's a quick one. So we're not going to be spending much time over this tutorial. So I will be walking you guys through on how to install WordPress to that specific domain that you have in your cPanel. So this is the cPanel. So how do you get to this section? I bet you all know how you get to this section. After paying for your hosting services, a link will be sent to you. Either you purchase the hosting from GoDaddy or Namecheap or SiteGround. There's always a procedure for you to sign in, and you have an environment like this where you have different tools to work with. So we have tools, we have scripts, we have categories, and this is where you create your personalized emails related to that particular domain name. And also this is domains. You can also create a subdomain. So just a quick one on how to install WordPress. So if you need a video, a full video on how to utilize every tools and features right here in the cPanel, just comment in the just give me a shout out in the comment section below, and I will dedicate my time explaining every single aspect of this back end of the cPanel. So let's dive into it. So we come down to where we have WordPress manager by software class. So we're going to click on this. So once we click on this, it's going to take us to this environment where we have this option, WordPress management, to install and every other thing. So we're going to click. I already have two domain name under this hosting with WordPress. I already have two domain name, so I have a third domain name which I want to install the WordPress on. I want to use that particular domain for what's it called, for a particular video that I will be creating soon. So I'm going to click on install. Just click on install right here. Once you click on install, it's going to bring you to this page where you have to fill in what this what the website is all about. So but look at this, choose installation URL. I already have an installation here. Always be careful about this so you don't go ahead and install WordPress on a URL that already exists. This is one of my clients' URL. So I'm going to select the URL I'm looking for. This is the URL I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the URL that I want to install the WordPress on. It's HTTPS because I purchased SSL on this URL. So I'll scroll down. My blog. No, let's say the video I will be designing is on medical website, medical care services. I'm gonna title that. Remember, depending on what your client specification is, you should understand everything about your client website. So you can put this site name, medical website, site description. I'm gonna put this here too. This should be the site description, and that first one is a site name. That will be Tulumed. So this should carry your site name, your what's it called, your URL site name. So on the right hand side, we come to the right hand side, admin user. I have to change this. That will be, let me title it the regular one, admin. Then the password, I can't literally remember this password, so I'm going to select, I'm going to generate mine. I'll definitely generate mine. So I'm definitely going to generate mine. I think it accepted it. So automatically you will get a default. There's always going to be a default mail created for you. I believe you should have this this default email created for any of your clients, which is the admin at the domain name, because this is where the information regarding the installation would have been sent after the installation is completed. And if this email is not created yet, you won't get that email, but you can replace this with any other email. But I'm going to leave this email because I will be creating this email. But if you know you've not created this email, I think I've created this email already. So if you know you've not created this personalized email, can you go ahead and create it, or you replace it with your personal Gmail or Yahoo email. Any email can go in here. It's just for you to receive the prompt that WordPress has been installed on that URL. So moving forward, right here you can see manage plugin sets. By default, some plugin would have been automatically added to your WordPress during installation, but let's forget about this, because if any plugin was installed by default, when we get to the what's it called, the WordPress dashboard, we will be removing any of the plugin that we do not want. So let's scroll down. So everything is set, name set, site description set, admin password set, everything is on check. The right URL, no mistake, because I don't get unnecessary email from my client that my site is down. So I will go ahead, and click on install. Email installation detail too. You can also remember email installation details, so you can put any email here. So it's gonna this will automatically send you your credentials, your WordPress credentials, but I don't need that because I already have that on my head. So I'll go ahead and click on install. You get password strength must be greater than 10. Oh gosh. So let's go back and visit the password. Okay. Okay, so let's go down. 83. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so the installation shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes, but depending on the strength of your internet though. So but it's always faster though, so let's wait. Okay, there we have it. So after the installation, you get a page that says congratulations, the software was installed successfully, with the details of your link to the right URL for you to start editing your WordPress website. So WordPress has been successfully installed at, this is the URL. So if you click on this URL, let's click on it. This is going to take us to that URL with a default WordPress page. The site, oh gosh, advanced protection. I think I need to install SSL. I've not installed SSL on this on that particular domain. I've not activated the SSL. That is why I got that prompt. So as you can see, this is the default. So let's move back. So now the administrative URL. This is the URL that gives you access to the backend to the WordPress. So we're going to click on this, so you can go to our WordPress dashboard, and voila. A minute. Get started with AI. We don't want this. I don't want this. Exit launch. So Namecheap is guiding me through to use AI, because literally all businesses are AI integrated right now. So everyone is trying to what's it called, sell their AI options and sell their AI feature to their customers. So I'm not going to go through any of this. I'm going to click on exit launch. I just want to go to my WordPress back end. That is where I want to be. So once I click on exit launch, this should take me to the WordPress. Yes, this is it. This is the WordPress environment. So I'm not going to be touching anything here. I won't be taking you guys through this. So if you want, I think I have a video on introduction to WordPress where I explain every single of these features one after the other. Every single thing you have at the back end here, I have a video that explains every single thing about the WordPress dashboard. I'm currently creating a video on how to design a medical health services website. So this I needed to install WordPress. So I won't be touching anything because I need this environment just like this to start up the video, so I can explain to my viewers like you that are currently watching this, and that this is the WordPress. Nothing is done yet, so I can walk them through how to design the medical website. So that is the end of this video today, and thank you once again for watching. Please kindly subscribe and hit the like button, most especially kindly share this video to family and friends. And thank you once again for watching this video. Ciao ciao. Do have a great day. Bye.